Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different of a clothing try-on video. I've partnered with the Mr. and Ms. collection, and basically they are a personal styling rental subscription service for both men and women. And it's crazy because you do have the option of buying the items if you do like them, but it's basically a rental subscription service for clothing, which I've never heard of renting. I've heard of, clothing subscription services where you buy the clothes and they send them to you and you do like a whole little style guide survey thing. So I thought that this was super unique and cool. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got for my first box. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what outfits I put together for my first box, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I received 4 items in this box, and what's cool about the items they send you is that you can incorporate them in with your own personal clothing items. So this first top, I believe, according to the card that it comes with, is their cupcakes and cashmere top. It's nice because it's a really nice like sweater material. It's stretchy, it's comfortable. Sometimes when I wear these off-shoulder tops, they're really not comfortable. They can be really tight and almost feel like they're cutting off circulation. So it's very simple, but yet it's very dressed up. Now I think this top would be perfect for any kind of like date night or going out somewhere, going to dinner. And for this video, I didn't do it, but I would maybe do some like dangly earrings if I wore my hair up, a nice necklace, or just even a simple necklace. It's personal preference totally. Now, you could obviously pair this top with just regular jeans. Now, I love black, if you guys couldn't have guessed, as well as the off-shoulder stuff, because you guys see these in a lot of my hauls. I love off-shoulder tops, but I love wearing black, so that's why I put these pumps on to show you that if you like wearing black, you can get away with wearing all black, and it's cool because then you can add a pop of color for your shoes. So what I chose to do is pair this top with a pair of black pants and then hot pink pumps. I was gonna do some like nude wedges, but then I'm like, you know what, let's like spice it up. So I decided to go with these hot pink pumps, but nonetheless, I think the all black looks super cute. So again, this is the first top and the first outfit I came up with. So this next outfit I put together, I'm obsessed with. It's basically a crochet kimono, and this is what I received in the box. Now, I was originally thinking, okay, this would be a beach cover-up, which you most certainly could do, but I'm like, let me try to wear it with clothes instead of, just do the basic beach cover-up thing with a bathing suit underneath. And I've never worn something like this before, but I'm obsessed with it. So basically, I paired, and I believe the brand, by the way, is Entro, I think the card said. So I just paired it with a basic white tank top, and then some jeans, and then these nude wedges. And I'm obsessed with it, you guys. Like, it's casual, but it's dressed up at the same time. And I'm just gonna get close so you guys can kind of like see the detail of the crochet, and then it's got the little tassels on the bottom. So I am obsessed with this, you guys. And you could, pair it with whatever jewelry, do simple, you could do dangly earrings, you could do no jewelry at all. It's totally personal preference. So the third item that I received is this beautiful dress by French Connection. I love the pink, perfect for the summer. It's simple, but yeah, it's elegant. I love the simple detail of the straps. And this would be a perfect like sundress to wear to like a party. I paired it with white wedges. You could do pumps. Honestly, like when I see this dress, I think of, we have a racetrack up by us, and everybody gets dressed up depending on what section of the track you go to. So this would be like the perfect dress to wear to the track, get all dressed up, any kind of party. Again, there's so many different options with this dress. I just love it. I feel so fancy in it. I love the straps. Again, I don't know if I can kind of show you the back, if you guys can see the back. So this is a beautiful dress, and I am obsessed with it. So the last item I received is this Lucy Paris bell sleeve, according to the card that it comes with. This is such a beautiful top, you guys. I love it. I love the color. It's like almost like a pale green with like the floral detail, and it does have a little opening, and then the tie, and then if you guys can see the neck, I'm obsessed with it. And I don't know if I mentioned, but you do have the option to buy pieces if you do like them. And I think, I'm not exactly certain, but I think they give you like a $20 credit towards some of the items. So anyways, when you go on their page, they have all the answers. They probably even have an FAQ page. I figured I'd mention that because this might be a top that I actually might want to purchase. It's beautiful, you guys. These bell sleeves or the butterfly sleeves are in right now. I'm obsessed with this top. So what I did was I paired it with these white pants, and it just makes the top pop out even more. Obviously, you could wear this with jeans. I mean, even black pants. I just, like to pair things with white pants for the summer and the spring. And then I just did these simple nude wedges. And other than that, too, the last thing I want to mention is you can, I know tucking things in is also the style. So you could tuck it in, and I think it looks good like that as well. So yeah, I am obsessed with this outfit, you guys. I'm obsessed with this top. So that is it for this video. I just quickly wanted to mention that they do have various memberships ranging from $59 to $89 depending on the number of items that you want to receive in your box and the shipping speed. And I also have a 20% off coupon for your first month, so I will have all of that listed down below. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.